Hello dear students and welcome back to my channel. This video is regarding TS Inter supplementary exams. Students who did not pass can appear for supplementary exams. The theory exams will start on May 13th and practical exams will start around May 22. From today onwards, that is April 13th up till April 20, students can pay the fees and the payment will be through your respective junior colleges. So on screen you can see May to June supplementary and improvement exam timetable. The practical exams will be conducted from 22nd May Friday to 25th May Monday in two sessions, that is forenoon session from 9 a.m. to 12 noon and afternoon session from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. onwards, 4 days. Then on 26th May Tuesday, the inter first year English practical exams will be conducted from 10 a.m. onwards and second year students English practical will begin from 2 p.m. onwards on the same day. The ethics and human values examination will be conducted from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and this is only for backlog students. Next is EVS exam, that is the environmental education exam, will be conducted on 28th May Thursday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. So on screen you can see the complete dates for inter first year and second year. All exams are same, the dates also. The only thing is that inter first year exams will be conducted in the morning and second year in the afternoon. So for all the main groups of CEC, MEC, MPC and BIPC, the exams will end by 19th of May and after that 2 more days vocational and bridge course exams will continue. Now this timetable is applicable for vocational courses examination also. So a separate vocational course timetable will also be issued by TGBI board. This is an official timetable signed yesterday on 12th April. Supplementary exam fees per subject is Rs 520. Now some inter second year students have this doubt that whether they can write improvement exam or not. So let me clarify this students that if you fail in a particular subject in inter second year, then you can write supplementary for it. But if you want to write the improvement exam, then you have to cancel the result of all subjects and then you have to write from the beginning all subjects plus practicals. In order to write for single subject, there is no provision in inter second year. That is allowed only up till inter first year. So better don't go for improvement. It will be a waste of time and money. If you are eligible for degree with your own score, then go ahead. And for inter first year students also, first you have to pass in all subjects.